Number 10. Gustav III Airport, also known as the St. Barthélemy Airport. The runway at this airport on St. Barth's Island is not only narrow, but planes coming in for a landing have to be careful as to not hit a sloping hillside upon approaching. At the same time, hitting the runway too late might leave your plane in the water. Number 9. Barra Airport, in the Hebrides off the west coast of Scotland. Yes, it is a beach for takeoff and landing. At least it's only for daytime flights. Number 8. Princess Juliana International Airport is definitely one of the most terrifying runways in the world. This airport runway lies eerily close to a tourist-friendly beach, and is practically famous for planes approaching at altitudes so low that beachgoers either want to run for cover, or stay put and experience the rush of being abnormally close to a plane flying overhead. Imagine catching a few rays on the beach, and being greeted by this monster steadily approaching from off in the distance. Number 7. Lukla Airport, located in Nepal. The Lukla Airport was once voted by the History Channel as the most extreme airport in the world, known more widely as the airport one flies into before trekking up Mount Everest. The Lukla Airport runway is nestled between a mountain on one end and a 1,000-foot drop into a valley on the other, and as if that weren't terrifying enough, the entire runway is only 1729 feet long. Number 6. Gibraltar International Airport. This one of the most terrifying runways in the world is located in the British territory of Gibraltar. It is surrounded by water at both ends, and residential buildings and civilian traffic, and the Rock of Gibraltar to the sides. Largely considered one of the scariest runways on which to land and take off, the runway at Gibraltar International Airport has the unique distinction of actually running across a 4-lane city highway. Number 5. Courchevel Altiport, nestled in the French Alps. The runway here is built into the side of a mountain, and is assuredly not for the faint of heart. Not only does the runway slope upwards with a gradient of 18.6%, it's also extremely short, measuring in at just 1,762 feet. Needless to say, there's not much room for error when landing here. Number 4. Wancho-i-Rausquin Airport. Tucked away in the Caribbean island of Saba, the Wancho-i-Rausquin Airport has the shortest commercial runway in the world, checking in at just 1,299 feet. Number 3. Coppola State Airport. Another risky beach airport, the Coppola State Airport's runway is located between the Coppolas River Delta and a barrier of rocks. Number 2. Kai Tak International Airport. Famous and hated for its heart-stopping approach low over Hong Kong, ended its 73-year reign of terror in 1998. Number 1. Matacaine Airstrip in Lesotho. Look at the horrifying Matacaine Airstrip in Lesotho, Africa. 400 meter, and then nothing.